Hi, it's Alex from Backyard Grannies here. Welcome to this beautiful coastal-inspired granny flat here in Carter South. Let me show you through. Designed to take full advantage of its street frontage, this coastal-inspired property demonstrates the unbeatable combination of style and function. This property isn't just a granny flat, it's a home. It features 2 bedrooms with built-in robes and 1 spacious bathroom. The combined living and dining area is light-filled and spacious, with a generous breakfast bar and Euro laundry incorporated into its layout. The glass sliding doors in the living area flow out onto the patio, ideal for entertaining. Beautifully landscaped by our customer, this granny flat is an excellent example of what the team at Backyard Grannies can achieve. If you're looking to build a granny flat, contact our team today.